going on? It's Steve. I hope you're doing just, ridiculously awesome today. This is a 3-minute guitar lesson. You think we can learn this one? This is I Hope You Had the Time of Your Life. That's not the real name of the song. By Green Day. They had so much hard rock and they just had to make this emotional ballad for all the ladies. But we're going to learn it in under 3 minutes, so I'm just going to quit yapping. So we're going to start here on a G major chord. G major, no capo, ready to go. Another, start right there. Then it goes to the C major. C major, a fork stuck in the road. That's a D major. So you go G, strum it like that, C, like that right there. Now you go to E minor. E minor. I play it with one finger, you can play it with two. And this is where he goes. So make the best D major of this test right there, C major, and don't ask why. That's G. So, and then it repeats it again. E minor, D major, C major, G. And now something unpredictable goes down to the E minor, something G major, back down to E minor, but in the end it's right. That's G major, E minor. Hope you had the D major of your G. I hope you had the D major of your G too. What's cool is if you end the G right there with this shape using your pinky, you can move these and play a C with that pinky right there. Back to G. Practice that. G major with a pinky instead. C major with a pinky on the 3rd fret of that E string. G, and it goes to the something unpredictable thing we just did a second ago. One more time. E minor, there's something unpredictable, G. E minor, G. E minor, hope you have the D major of your G. All right, that's a crazy fast version of this song by Green Day. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, share, and I'll catch you for another 3-minute guitar lesson. Before you know it, see ya.